Welcome back mga ka-joy! Gagawa tayo ng blueberry cheesecake. Hi guys! Welcome to Joy of the World! Gagawin natin ang first layer, the crust. We will just prepare the cake pans na kailangan natin. First off, ihanda ang biscuit crumbs, preferably 3 ounce. Melt your butter and then pour into your biscuit crumbs. Just mix it well until all crumbs are wet. At since may mga processes pa tayo, shout out muna sa mga friends na si Rainbell99, Mark Castillo, Jenny's Kitchen, Kusina ni Bye Mike, at si Mahiwagang Mama. After mixing, pour in to each pan. So nakikita ninyo na you just have to scoop in some of the mixture, and then afterwards you just have to push your mixture. Push in the mixture until your crumbs are settled, like this. For our second layer, the cheesecake, we need to prepare first our gelatin, which will be dissolved in a not full cup of hot water. Then mix it well and set aside. Now you will prepare your cream cheese. Pour in your gelatin. Pour in your condensed milk. It depends on the sweetness that you want. Then pour in also your all-purpose cream. That's all for the ingredients of the cheesecake, and you just need to mix everything well. But first, you have to mix it slowly. If you observe that your mixture is already mixed all together, you can increase your speed. By the way guys, don't you worry, I'll be putting the measurements in the description box. Kung napansin nyo, I am using a stand mixer, but you can also use a hand mixer, and you can use the full capacity of it until it becomes foamy, and you'll notice that the mixture is homogeneous. The mixture is already good. You can now pour the cheesecake to the pan with the crust under and refrigerate it overnight. Now the final layer, the blueberry. Just top in with your favorite blueberry preserve, or you can also have it without the blueberry. It's good enough. So diba? It's very easy. Ta-da! The blueberry cheesecake is no big. It's very easy. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.